Welcome to the Phone Transformer channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to change home button to swipe up in Samsung, step by step. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Let's get started. Step 1. First, grab your Samsung phone and open the Settings app. You can find it on your home screen or in the app drawer. Step 2. Next, in the Settings menu, scroll down until you see the Display option. Once you find it, tap on it to proceed. Step 3. Now within the Display section, continue scrolling down until you see the Navigation bar option. Tap on it to access the settings related to your home button and gesture controls. Step 4. At this point, you'll notice that the default setting is the button navigation mode. But don't worry, switching to swipe gestures is simple. Step 5. If you want to enable swipe gestures mode, simply tap on it. Your phone will automatically apply the changes, replacing the home button with a swipe up gesture. That's it. You have successfully changed the home button to swipe up on your Samsung device. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.